boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday. Okay, Wish Wednesday. And this time we have NEFFEX here in the house. We had him many times before, NEFFEX. He's one of the in-house artists now. And this song is called Destiny. So it was many who wished for this song. Amongst all the ones is Nathan Mireles, Creepy's Dub, David Martinez, and so on. So you wished really for an NEFFEX song called Destiny. So this one is especially for you guys and all you NEFFEX fans. I know there are many of you out there. So NEFFEX Destiny, that's what we're gonna do here for the next minutes. And yeah, this one is without capo. I choose to play this without capo because it's not that much more difficult than with capo set on the second fret. This would probably be the easiest way possible, capo on second. But I read all your comments, guys, and many of you wish to have songs more as much as possible without any capo. So I thought in this case it's not that much harder to do it without, so that's the reason for it. So without any capo, we will start with the chords, and the chords will be the F sharp minor, A, D, and a B sus chord. Okay, so in that order, that's what we're gonna play through the entire song. The chords in different settings, we're gonna use different techniques and so on, but first let's go through the different chords. So starting with the F sharp minor. So we have a bar here on the second fret over all strings, and the rest will be fourth on A and fourth on D. Next chord will be A. So this is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And we will use perhaps just a bar. Sometimes you will see me just hold a bar on the second fret, and that is easier in some ways in this song as well. So I keep a bar here from the D string and down, so from the bottom up 4 strings. All right, so that's the A. The next chord will be D. It's a D bass song, but yeah, chord, sorry. But we'll use that also in different settings now. But the chord will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord will be some kind of a B sus 2 chord. So we put a bar again here on the second fret from the A string and down, so from bottom up 5 strings like that, and the rest will be the fourth on D and fourth on G. All right, so there you have the bass for the song in that order: F sharp minor, A, D, and B sus. All right, so we'll start with this medley that will be a huge part of this song. So we'll start with the notes that belongs to the F sharp minor chord. All right, so what you do here, it's enough to just have one finger here on the 4th fret D string, and then you can have a short little bar there on the 2nd fret from the G string and down, so across the last 3 strings. Actually, it's enough just with the G and B string there. That's what you're gonna work with. So this F sharp minor part sounds like this. Okay, so you're gonna play 4th on D, 2nd on G, 2nd on B, and repeat these 3 notes again. So 4th on D, 2nd on G, 2nd B, and you end with 2nd G. The rhythm will be like this, and a pause. All right, then we move on to the next chord, which is the A. Now you just continue with the bar here. You just take it off this 4th fret D string to bar the 2nd fret D string, 2nd fret G, and 2nd B. That's the 3 strings you're gonna work with now for this A part, and it sounds like this. Okay, so you're gonna play the same pattern here now with the 2nd D, 2nd G, second B, and then you repeat the 3 notes there again, second D, second G, second B, and you end on second G. So this is the part. Okay, so we'll continue with the D bass thing here. Sounds like this. Same pattern, same strings. Now you have the open D string instead. So open D, second G, second B. Repeat 3 notes again. Open D, second G, second B, and you end on the second G. Like this. And then we have the final part, the B bass thing here. Sounds like this. So now you have the grip second on A string and second on G. All right, so you're gonna play second second A, open D, second G. You repeat the 3 notes again. So second A, open D, second G, and you end on open D. And that is the melody. All right, so I'm gonna play through for you. So let's start from the F sharp minor, a little bit slower than standard. So there you have it. And that is the intro. You're gonna play 2 rounds of this melody, so 2 chord progression rounds, and then starts the actual song. You're gonna continue here with another 4 rounds of this melody, and then you are in the lyrics, yo, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough, okay? So that is where you have played the 4 rounds. In the verse, you can say, verses. All right, so from this lyric and so on, you're gonna continue with another 4 rounds. You can go either the melody here for another 4 rounds, so in total, if you go with the melody all the way, you're gonna play for 8 rounds. Or here, after 4 rounds of the melody, you can do a very simple strumming pattern. So what you're gonna do there, you're gonna do the chords, the F sharp, the A, the D, and the B sus. You're gonna play down, down, and a clap. You can do a clap or a pause. It's up to you. So like this. Or so you go either way there. You're gonna do that for another 4 rounds. So you can say that the first 4 rounds in the song will be the melody, and the next 4 rounds will be either melody or this strumming I just did. So either way, we are about 8 rounds now into the song, and from here on starts the drop, okay? So this one is based upon the chords, but we have this melody going on. And I'm just gonna play the melody for you, and it's played for the first 3 chords. So for the F sharp, the A, and the D, it will be the same melody, and for the last chord, the B sus, it will be another melody. But first one, for the first 3 chords, it will sound like this. So you try to build in these notes, these 5 notes into the chord when you strum them. So either way, you're gonna just play 5 downs on the chord, or try to hit the notes here. I would actually go for the notes and try to hit as many as I can for each and every chord. So let's look at where to find these notes. So for instance, now you can hold the F sharp, and now you want to find the melody notes. You will find them here on the 3rd fret B string 2 times, and then 2nd fret B string 1 time, and then comes the 4th fret G string one time, and 2nd fret G string. So there you have the melody, okay? So again, third fret B string 2 times, then 2nd B string 1 time, then 4th G string 1 time, and open, sorry, 2nd G string 1 time. Okay, so you play this melody for F sharp, A, and D. And then for the B sus chord, you're gonna play this one. Okay, so there you have the 4th fret G string, then the 2nd fret B string, then back to 4th fret G string, and then 2nd G string. And that's only for the B chord. So I'm gonna play this melody for you, and I'm gonna give you the bass note here for you to understand which chord we're playing. So going from F sharp to A to D with one same melody, and then switch melody for the last B chord, like this. Okay, so that is how you do it. Now, I play a little wrong there because it's always harder to play slow, these kind of parts. But yeah, if you notice there, when I played the F sharp, I had the bar here with my finger, so that's why I could just let the fingers go like this and get the right notes here on the 2nd fret. So when I switch to the A, play the notes in different places. It's the same notes, but you find them on different places because your grip is different here. So for A, I'm gonna play still 3rd fret B string, then 2nd fret B string. I need to switch. You see my finger here, my ring finger goes from this to this right under, so you get the standard A chord. So, and the next note down, I'm not going out there to the 4th fret G string. I'm gonna play this open B instead. Okay, and now I get the 2nd fret G string there. All right, so a little bit different grip there and different notes there when it comes to the 4th fret G string contra the open B string. The same goes with the D. So goes again, 3rd fret B string 2 times, then 2nd fret B string, and then open B string and 2nd G. So the grip will be like this. Yeah, so that's how you handle the chords with the melody. Now the challenge here is to get them with a strumming, because it's easier and sounds better, not easier, but it sounds better to have this melody played with some strumming. It gets more yeah, it's more music actually. So it could sound something like this, and it's up to you to get the notes right. Now when you do the strumming, don't go for full downs because it's impossible then to highlight the notes you want. So you're gonna work short downs. All right, so very precise short downs to get the right notes down. So it could sound something like this. Okay, so that's how it could sound. And if you miss a note here and there, it's not whole word. You're gonna hit many notes right, and that will give you this great effect anyway. Now you can also try to aim for a clap, so you really get the rhythm here. And if you do that, then you want to hit the clap on the right place now. So you're gonna do it in the same on the same note. So it will be when you play this, for instance, the F sharp now. You're gonna play the 3rd fret B string 2 times, the 2nd fret B string 1 time, and there on the next note, the 4th fret G string, this is the note you need to replace if you want to add the clap. So it will be like this. And you're gonna continue with the next chord, which is the A there. And then D. And then for B, you're gonna do it on the 3rd note, so like that. So with this kind of beat and strumming with the clap, it could sound something like this. I missed the chord there. I think I need more practice on this one. But yeah, anyway, 15 minutes should not be enough for me. Perhaps it's for you. I should need maybe 15 minutes more to get this one right. But this is how I would handle this song. And you're gonna play this drop now for 4 rounds again. And then everything else is pretty much repetition. So you're gonna continue in the lyrics. I've been through some injuries, and yeah, you will play in the same way there. The melody, you could play that, or go with the strumming there. Next, for another 4 rounds, I will go with the down, down, and the strumming there. So it will repeat everything. Now 4 rounds of melody, then 4 rounds of the strumming, and then again the drop 4 rounds, and then the outro after the second drop will be the melody for 2 rounds. And that pretty much covers NEFFEX Destiny. All right, so I think I'm gonna give you my practice, 1 minute of practice for this melody, because I need it, and I feel that I need to do some comeback on this one. So I'm gonna end this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, especially you who wished for it, Morales, Dub, Martinez, and all the guys who love NEFFEX, and especially this song Destiny. So this one was for you. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna end this tutorial to play this one. Until next time, guys, I hope to see you soon, and play tuned.